Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the error of Kenchri Lottery app. So let's get started. So here we can see the Kenchri Lottery app. So if you want to fix it, you have to follow this simple method. So just open it. If it shows the error here, then you have to go back to the app, then press and hold it here. Then you have to click on this I button. It will open the app info of the app. So then you click on there and just scroll down and click on the storage. Just leave clear data, just delete it, open it again. If it's work for you, then fine. If it's not work for you, then you have to probably check for an update. So you can directly go to the Google search bar and you will likely search for the Kenchri Lottery app. So from here you can click on here and update it and use it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.